Yeah. Oh my goodness! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! I'm Santa Claus. Wow! I wanted a kiss. Yep. Whoa! Smash! Welcome to Dog's Playhouse!
Today we're gonna smash day.
Yep, we're doing a present smash challenge today. Aren't we, Oakland?
Yeah.
Are you ready to take some presents and smash them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna move around this just a little bit. Are you ready to pick a present?
Yeah.
Pick which present you want.
This one.
And throw it on the ground. Yeah, and then go jump on it. Yeah. Yeah, get that present.
Go
Ah!
stand by Daddy.
Oh, you got it. You got it open. Pin a present on Santa Claus. We got these present stickers right here, and you have to put a present on Santa Claus over there by the stockings. Do you think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Okay, but you have to do it blindfolded.
Uh-oh.
Hey, no peeking. Okay, ready?
Oh, oh,
I don't need a
Do you want Daddy to try first?
no.
oh. Okay.
And tell him to spin 3 times. Show Daddy where Santa
Can you
is.
help me find Santa, Oakland? I gotta give him this present.
Here.
Oh, you have to bring Daddy.
Is he? Oh,
Here.
that's the tree.
Here.
Right here.
No, right here.
Show me.
Right here.
Okay, let me put it right in his bag, right there. Let me see where I got it. Whoa, that's not in his bag. The present's supposed to go in his bag. Okay, let's spin it around 3 times. No, you can't peek. Go find Santa. Here, I'll hold your hand. Keep coming. Keep going.
It's right here.
No, 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 that's the ground. Keep coming. Where's he right? He's right here somewhere. So you gotta put it in his bag. Can you get it in his bag? Just put the sticker in his bag right there. Wow, you got it right on his chin.
I gotta put it on.
Okay, I think we'll let it slide. Okay, next present. 3, 2, 1. Whoosh.
Oh. Me first.
All right, what did I get, Oakland? I got a box that says you have to wrap someone in wrapping paper. Oof.
That's me. I should wrap you in.
Yeah, okay. Oakland, look who's wrapped in wrapping paper. Time for you to do the next challenge.
I got it.
Okay. Smash! Whoa! All right, go get it. Jump on it. Ah! Ah! Let's see what kind of present you got, or what kind of challenge you got. Ah! 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 You get to get a whipped cream Santa beard.
No, you.
Me? Oof. So you're telling me I gotta get the whipped cream beard and then you're gonna get this Yeti lollipop?
Yeah. Mmm.
What flavor?
It's watermelon.
If I do this, you gotta do the next 2 boxes, deal?
Mhm.
All right, somehow I got roped into doing Oakland's challenge, so you gotta give me a whipped cream beard. All right. Oh my God, Oakland. Whoa. Okay, we got it. Oh, good, clear.
Pull it along.
Is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, is that all of it? Are you sure?
No.
Oh no. Okay, is that it? Is that all of it?
No.
Oh my god. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. I'm Santa Claus now. Mwah. I wanted a kiss. Mwah. Oh.
Show me.
Look at Vloggie and show them. That's so silly. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to kiss you. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh. Yep. Yeah. Smash. Oh. You get a hot chocolate bomb. Oh, we get a little break. You want a hot chocolate bomb?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a pretty cool hot chocolate bomb, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta wait till it gets in the milk to melt it. Oh, say thanks, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Okay, drop it in. Whoa. Okay, now we just have to wait.
Look at that.
Whoa.
It's hot chocolate.
That's pretty cool, Oakland.
Can you stir it? Here, stir from up here. Like that.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, keep going, keep going.
Wow.
It's in hot chocolate.
Yep. Oh no, that's perfect. Wait, hold on. Let me stir it a little bit.
No, I want to do it. I want to
Oh,
do it.
sorry.
Like this.
Okay. Ask Mama for a straw.
I stop.
You putting a candy cane in there too, Oakland?
Yeah. That's everything.
Okay. Put the candy cane in there and maybe a couple more marshmallows and take a drink.
And this candy came also. Oh.
All right, Oakland. Are you ready to go finish?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. You gotta be ready because your hot chocolate's gone. All right, let's go do our last challenge. You ready? Smash! Smash! Are you ready? Yeah. Hit it with your horn on your head. Yeah. That's a good narwhal. Should I try?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Oh, let's see what's in here.
Oh, a candy cane.
Candy cane cup toss. Okay, that means whoever lands their candy cane in this cup wins. My turn. Oops.
Oh.
We gotta try it again. Ready? Okay, is that how we play? Oh, we both lose. Let's do it one more time. Ah. Oh, here you go. Here's another one. Oh, I got it in there.
It was mine.
Here, you can have one. You throw that one in.
Ah.
Yeah, how about I move it a little closer and then you try.
Okay.
All right, now you ready? Try throwing it in there.
Ah.
In the cup. Throw it in the cup. One more. One more. Whoa, you got it in there, Oakland. Good job. Can you give me a high five? Yeah. Should we say bye to our vlog?